Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to start signed into the exact Google account that stores the history, otherwise you won't find those searches. Once signed in, open YouTube on desktop or the mobile app. Tap or click your profile icon in the top right corner to reveal the menu. From there, select your data in YouTube or Settings depending on platform. This first step gets you into YouTube's privacy and history controls, which is where search history is recorded and managed. Once done, choose the section labeled Search or Search History so you can view itemized queries. On desktop, you may see a direct link under Watch and Search Activity that opens the My Activity page. On mobile, go to Settings, History and Privacy, Manage Search History. Scroll to see entries or use the search field on My Activity to filter by keyword or date. This helps when you want a single past query instead of scrolling forever. Make sure to review timestamps to confirm the correct item. To finish, remove or keep entries. Tap the three-dot menu next to any search and delete it, or choose Clear Activity By to delete by date range or all time. If you don't see expected searches, check that you're on the right Google account and that search history wasn't paused or disabled. Device syncing issues can also hide items. As a troubleshooting tip, enable history briefly and perform a known search to confirm recording. Then recheck the My Activity page to verify functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.